Akshatas recipes. Thanks so much for stopping by. Well, today's recipe is actually my own invention, and I have just named it chicken masala, because I'll be using the meat masala powder. So it's my own invention. I just put a few things together and I got this recipe done. So stick around for the recipe, and later on you'll also get to see some behind the scenes of my shooting. As to one of my viewers asked me that how I do my shooting, so you'll get to see that too. So stick to the end of the video and you'll get to see some behind the scenes footage of my shooting of my recipes. So if you like today's recipe, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Akshatas recipes by clicking the red subscribe button that you see just below this video. So let's get started with this very interesting chicken masala recipe. just a little behind the scenes look at when I'm cooking. Like many of you wanted to know how I do my shooting. Well, this is my ever faithful camera stand that I have, so I just use that. And here the dish is getting ready, as you can see, and then all my ingredients over here, which I have to clear up later. So this is a little behind the scenes look. So now we just have to wait for about 5 to 10 minutes till our dish is nice and cooked and ready. So I'll catch you after the break.